Conditional formatting in Excel is one of the most powerful features, yet 90% of the people are using it wrong. They are manually highlighting the cells and wasting hours on daily basis. In today's video, I shall show you step-by-step process how to automate highlights and identify problems instantly. So let's start. Before starting, let's understand some basic concepts. The conditional formatting is found under the Home tab in the conditional formatting section. And from here, you can apply the new rule, clear the previous rules, and manage already identified rules. So let's start. Let's suppose we need to identify the due date. Any date that is already passed, we will highlight the cell. We will select the due date column, go to conditional formatting and go to new rule. From this new rule, we will use this option, use a formula to determine which cells to format, because we will apply a formula to identify and highlight the cells of those dates which is already passed. Click here, press equal sign, then click on the first cell of your range. It will get the reference. We need to remove $sign from the reference because we don't want absolute reference. Press F4 until you get this simple option. Now I will set the criteria. Criteria is less than today's date. Any date which is smaller than today, it means it is already passed and we need to highlight its cell. Now our formula is complete, our logic is complete. We will go with the formatting option to highlight the cell. From formatting option, we will select this fill cell option and we will choose a color of our choice. I am going with the red one because it is an alert that our due date is already passed. Once you select the color, then press OK to apply and see the effect. And here you can see that today is 11th of April, assuming any date less than 11th April 2026 is highlighted in the red. It means that our due date is already passed. So in this way we have highlighted many rows with one click, and even if you have thousands of rows in your real data, this will work same. Now let's see how to highlight the top values in your data. Let's suppose we have hours budget column. You need to identify which one is the top 10 or top 5 or top 3 hours. It is as per your choice. In our scenario, we need to identify top 3 hours, like top 3 maximum hours. What I will do, I'll select the column, then go to conditional formatting, select this top bottom rules. From this top bottom rules, we will select the next option, top 10 items. I will click on the top 10 items. By default, it will give me top 10, but as we have already decided, we will go with the top 3. So I am going to reduce its number to top 3. Now it will highlight the top 3 items in my list. Here we can choose the color of highlight, how you want to see the output. I will go with the green one. Press OK. And now our top 3 items have been highlighted. The next thing is how we can identify the duplicate values in our data. Now let's identify the duplicate values using the same conditional formatting. Here in my video for this today's topic, I will find the duplicate ID based on the task ID. Any task ID is repeated in the data, I will find it or I will consider it as a duplicate value. How to do it? Select the entire column where you want to see the duplication. Similarly, go to Home tab, conditional formatting, highlight rules, and in the highlight rules section, we will come down to select the duplicate values. Click on this option and it will highlight duplicates for you, and also you can select the output cell color in which cell color would you like to want to see the duplicate rows. I am going with this light red. Press OK, and now you've seen that it has highlighted duplicate IDs for us, T1105 and T1105. These both are duplicate values. T1010 and T1010 are also duplicates. Now we have identified our duplicate values based on conditional formatting. Now let's remove to clear duplicate. Now let's learn how to remove the duplication from our data. Click here, press Ctrl A to select the entire data. Then go to Data tab and select this option, Remove Duplicates. Once you click on this option, you will see Excel will show you the options to select column of your choice or unselect all or whatever your need. Here we will go with the select all because we want to completely remove the row which is having duplicate task ID. So I am going to select the all ones. Press OK, and you see that it has given me a message that 2 duplicate value found and removed, 12 unique values remain. Note that context may include empty cell or spaces. Press OK, and now our duplication is removed. We have got the 12 unique rows. Before closing, I want to give you a special tip. Let's suppose you want to edit your already applied rule. What we will do, we will go to Home tab, same conditional formatting, and we will select the Manage Rule options because we want to make changes in already applied rules. And you see that we have applied 3 rules. Let's suppose we want to say that I want to change the color of this rule. Select the rule, then come to Edit Rule, and from here you can choose any other color. Right? Press OK, press OK, apply. Don't forget to apply the change, press OK. And now you can see that instead of red, we have got the orange color for the dates which are already passed. That's all for today. What topic you want me to make video next? Let me know in the comment. See you in the next one.